this is the beginning of the analysis. Let's go through very quickly these 12 main activities. The furnace is being stopped, the activity number 1. Activity number 2, we are waiting the oil of the furnace to be cooled down so that it comes to the room temperature. Activity number 3 is then the maintenance guy is collecting the activity number 4 is that we are pumping out this tampering oil out of the furnace. Activity number 5 is we are filtering that oil. Activity number 6 is that we clean the filters and we inspect the moving parts for any wear and tear. The activity number 7 is that we are cleaning the furnace tab. Activity 8, we fill that filtered oil back into the furnace. Activity 9, we heat up the oil again. Activity 10, we produce the first 10 parts. Activity 11 is we bring these parts to the quality department and wait for the results. And once this is okay from quality side, they say we can run the machine. Then activity number 12 is that we start the machine.